Hi everyone, welcome to my new video, and today going to show you how to set up APN on our Android device on the Bsnl Sim Card latest new 4G APN settings 2023, but work for all networks. Quick step to setting up our smartphone APN for mobile data access. Let's get start. Go to the settings app on our Android device. Click on SIM card and mobile network. Select our Bsnl SIM card. Click on access point name. Select reset to default. Click on the add or plus button to add a new APN. Enter APN settings, tap the name field name. Name BSNL capital all letter, tap OK. APN internet I capital letter, tap OK. Proxy not set, port 8080, tap OK. Username not set, password not set, scroll down. Server www.google.com, small letter not space, tap OK. MMSC not set, MMS proxy not set, MMS port not set, MCC not set, MNC not set, scroll down. Authentication type not set, APN type, APN type default, MMS, SUPL, HIPRI, FOTA, CBS, MCX, small letter not space, tap OK. APN protocol, third option IPv4/IPv6 select. APN roaming protocol, third option IPv4/IPv6 select. Important settings BRR, unspecified tick, tap OK. Tap the more icon, tap save. Bsnl new APN save. Click the return home button. Select any one option, turn airplane mode on, wait for 5 seconds, turn airplane mode off. Option 2, save this setting and restart our phone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like, subscribe to share it with our family and friend.